Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change Facebook public group to private. So if you own a Facebook group and you created the group as public and now you want to convert your public group to private, follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, go to your group and tap on manage. Here, scroll down and tap on group settings. Tap on privacy. And here, to change your group visibility private to public to private, select private. And note one thing, that if you convert your public group to private, after that you won't be able to change your group privacy to private to public. Okay, so tap on next and tap on next. Tap on change privacy, and here you can read this article. These are very important thing, and this will be permanent. So tap on change privacy, and this group will be private in 3 days. So this is how we can change our Facebook public group to private. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.